As predicted, there was no surprise Christmas gift from the Reserve Bank today, with the cash rate left on hold at 3.6%.
The question is it just an extended hold from here, or is it possibility of a rate rise?
Unless inflation falls, interest rates will rise.
嗱，今年咧 RBA 咧就冇派聖誕禮物，冇減息，冇驚喜，淨係留低一堆人失望收場。
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
咁呢度係邊度？冇錯，唔係喺澳洲，係日本。一個曾經被人講到樓價只會升唔會跌嘅國家，咁呢個場景聽落去係咪熟口熟面呢？咁轉眼間日本咧就行入咗一條迷失30年嘅長路，咁問題就嚟啦。咁澳洲會唔會步入日本嘅後塵？咁定係我哋真係咁例外？又或者我哋係咪真係未見到呢個泡沫爆發？咁嚟到2025年尾 ，RBA 嘅行長咧就冇派聖誕禮物，咁供樓壓力仲喺度，咁但係樓價仲係高企嘅，咁仲有人話樓價只會不斷升，唔會跌。咁今集咧我就同你拆解澳洲樓市啊，究竟係咪真係咁硬淨爆唔到，定係一個火辣辣越吹越大嘅泡沫？咁你睇完之後，就可能對安全呢兩個字咧有完全唔同嘅理解啦。
New data shows housing affordability in Australia has never been worse, with house prices jumping nearly 50% since the pandemic.
It's actually a really good investment to buy something at that sort of $1 million mark, for example, in the major cities, because you know that the government money is going to inflate the price of that property.
各位，你哋準備好未？我依家咧就要讀一組令你打冷震嘅數字。咁根據 Cotality、APRA、RBA、ATO 嘅數據啊，依家全澳洲住宅嘅總值咧正式衝破12兆。咁12兆嘅澳元係咩概念呢？係12個萬億，咁即係呢個數字。咁12兆即係等於120萬個1000萬，咁即係120萬份嘅1000萬咁多啊。咁而最癲係乜嘢呢？就係55% 嘅澳洲家庭財富啊，都係壓住喺物業嗰度嘅。咁比較一下 ，Superannuation 4.3兆。股票嘅市場係3.6兆，咁商業嘅物業咧1.3兆，咁而住宅咧係有12兆咁多㗎。咁樓市咧就等於澳洲經濟個心臟，咁聽落去咧就好似數學問題，咁但係其實咧喺澳洲人喺樓市入邊全部屙現身家，咁平均每間屋啊都超過105萬澳元嘅。咁如果你攤翻每個澳洲人身上，咁成年人啦、老人家、小朋友、BB 仔加埋全部人平均分啊，每人咧就會揸住所謂嘅樓市財富係431426蚊啦。
Okay.
但等等呢啲嘢唔好聽到大數字咧，就好似以為好威，因為呢啲全部都係帳面價值，咁係靠乜嘢推出嚟嘅咧？係高槓桿、高按揭、歷史級嘅低供應。咁澳洲全部住宅物業總值居然係 GDP 嘅4.17倍，咁即係話屋企加埋全澳洲住宅市值係我哋一年生產嘅經濟產值超過4倍。而喺另一邊廂，美國嘅住宅總值同 GDP 嘅比率咧，淨係得大約1.6倍。咁即係話美國就算樓市幾大都好，但係佢哋住嘅總值啊，同經濟規模比起澳洲係細咗2倍半嘅。咁簡單啲講，澳洲人啊係更加攬住層樓多過美國人嘅。樓市喺澳洲嘅份量咧係重過美國好多。咁呢個咧係一個宏觀嚟睇啦，喺影響唔單止係樓價，仲係影響到消費、貸款、銀行健康，甚至成個經濟嘅信心。咁澳洲嘅樓市咧，其實咧就好似一個巨型泡沫咁樣，唔係即時會爆，咁但係已經衝到好滿好滿啦。有人就開始話澳洲依家係咪好似日本80年代嘅土地泡沫咁樣？日本嗰陣地價升到癲， 東京皇居嘅土地佔值甚至等於全國美國加州加埋一齊。咁最後點樣？30年實落期，咁資產腰斬。咁澳洲會唔會重演呢樣嘢？我就唔夠膽講係會一模一樣，咁但係嗰種依賴資產嘅升值感覺其實非常相似。咁翻去日本80年代啊，咁當年情況就係借錢好鬼熱，咁銀行放水，全民炒樓，全民都相信樓價只會向上升。咁當時東京嘅地價咧，啱啱都講過，高到有人話皇居嗰塊地啊值錢啊成個加州咁樣，咁結果泡沫爆破。經濟停滯啊，咁失落咗唔係幾年，係失落30年。
呢個係全國國家土地資產佔 GDP 比例，紅色係日本，藍色係澳洲。你再望翻澳洲呢條藍色線，老實講，過去10幾年個走勢真係幾似日本80年代尾嗰段。咁但係重點唔係似唔似，而係會唔會爆。咁我反而想你諗一個問題就係，如果有事嗰時，你企喺邊個位置？你頂唔頂得順呢？咁呢個先係最值得諗嘅地方。
講起依家澳洲政府針對個樓市搞緊啲咩措施呢？咁其實澳洲政府咧就喺度火上加油。咁有時聽落去咧就好似好溫柔，咁實際係非常刺激。例如首次置業擔保計劃，咁用5% 首期就可以入場，咁即係提早拉未準備好嘅人入市。咁如果你上次錯過咗另外呢條片嘅話咧，咁睇完呢條片記住去睇下啦。咁嗱，另外就係負扣稅啦。咁蝕錢啊都可以退稅啊，咁投資者咪繼續掃貨咯。仲有啊，呢條片咧就講 negative gearing 負扣稅嘅，如果你之前錯過，你都可以睇翻㗎。嗱，仲有各種印花稅嘅優惠、補貼或者減免嘅措施，咁結果係咩啊？需求永遠都唔停，再加埋失業率低啊，移民數字高，供應嚴重不足，咁你話樓價會唔會跌呢？
We know housing is expensive. But prices in Australia are now rising at their fastest rate in 4 years, with Sydney, Brisbane, Adelaide and Perth hitting record highs.
The Australian dream is getting further and further out of reach.
Of the housing affordability crisis is repeated across the country and also inside families.
嗱，我舉個例子啊，中產家庭都變咗小綿羊上刀山。咁你睇下 Sydney、Melbourne 嘅中產家庭，咁呢位中產咧就好威咧，係咪啊 ？Sorry 啊，依家中產啊都要打大佬嘅難度先可以上車，要入場咧唔係80%，唔係85%，係90% 到95% 嘅 LVR。嗱，借到咁高槓桿，其實意味着啲乜嘢？咁你已經喺隻小綿羊入咗市，咁利率加少少，你就會感受到咩叫做真正壓力測試啦。咁每個月咧供樓還數多幾百蚊，甚至過千啊，都唔出奇。咁對好多家庭已經係追唔上呢個節奏啦。咁更唔好講，好多喺2020至到21年做咗定息嘅人士，喺2023至到25啊，全部都迎來所謂嘅 mortgage cliff。咁因為利率由2%一升啊，升到去多過6%，咁供款啊即刻膨脹，咁家庭現金流啊即刻被 KO。咁難怪銀行同政府日日啊都話要救經濟，咁其實要救啲咩呢？係救樓市。咁呢句話嘅後邊邏輯其實咧可以用一個火燒連環船嘅故仔嚟解釋㗎。
Aussie homeowners have been dealt a cruel blow right before Christmas, with the big banks ruling out further cash rate cuts this cycle.
A lot of Australians would have wanted some more rate relief, but wouldn't have expected it.
The Reserve Bank cannot reduce interest rates. That's the key issue here, and that's why Australians are going to Christmas feeling poorer.
點解政府同銀行咁驚個樓市跌？因為喺澳洲啊，樓市唔單止係住嘅問題，而係我之前條片度都同大家提過㗎啦，係成個金融系統嘅心臟。好啦，我就嘗試用以下呢4點咧，同大家分析一下。咁第一點就係首次置業嘅綿羊仔頂唔順，咁呢個就係個人層面上嘅。咁當 mortgage cliff 一殺到，成千上萬嘅業主或者綿羊仔就供唔起層樓，咁結果佢哋咧就被逼將層樓咧係拎出嚟急賣嘅。咁呢個時候，咁暴龍級嘅投資者就可能趁低吸納呢啲嘅平價筍盤。咁第二點咧就係樓價大插水，咁呢個就係市場層面上面。咁當市場咧突然之間多咗好多人急讓嘅話，咁但係有冇人買得起？因為利息高啊嘛，咁樓價就會直線下跌，咁結果就可能有負資產嘅出現，咁即係層樓咧嘅價值跌到低過爭銀行嘅錢。咁下一點咧就係 銀行變大輸家，呢個就係關鍵啦。咁呢度就係銀行最驚嘅地方。咁如果你層樓價值係100萬，你借咗銀行80萬，銀行咧就覺得好安全，因為咧有你層樓做抵押啊嘛。咁但係如果樓市崩盤嘅話，層樓咧跌翻得60萬，就算你係斷供啊，銀行收翻你層樓去拍賣，銀行咧都要蝕20萬嘅。咁重點就係銀行手頭上咧有幾百萬份按揭噶嘛。咁如果全部一齊出事，銀行咧就會有巨大嘅壞賬，咁甚至可能會執笠噶。嗱，下一點咧就係經濟大停頓。呢個全國社會嘅層面上咧，當銀行發現自己蝕緊大錢嗰時，銀行就會做啲好恐怖嘅嘢，就係落雨收遮啦。咁銀行就會收緊水喉，唔會再借錢俾人做生意。咁唔借錢俾中小企，冇錢借嘅話，公司就可能擴張唔到，甚至執笠。咁裁員嘅話，失業率就上升。咁結果成個經濟就死咗火啦。咁呢度嘅意思係咩呢？咁所謂政府救經濟，咁其實係個潛台詞就係政府唔想俾樓價大跌。咁因為樓價一跌，銀行咧就會重傷，銀行重傷，成個社會就冇錢喺度流轉，咁大家綁住一齊死啊！所以政府一定要出招嘅。咁例如放寬借貸，俾津貼，咁或者可能暫時加息，咁去托住成個樓市。咁表面上係幫業主救你層樓嘛，咁實際上係保住銀行個資產負債表，咁救佢自己個荷包咯。咁澳洲會唔會出現日本式嘅崩盤呢？咁我講清楚個結論先啦，不如咁出現日本式嘅失落30年嘅機會咧，係相對較低。咁但係出現明顯調整甚至一段時間嘅停滯嘅風險咧，係相對存在嘅。咁而且唔可以忽視，咁唔係一定會爆，咁但係都絕對唔係零風險。我唔係咩經濟學家，我又唔係咩預言家，但係咧我就中意參考歷史嘅。咁喺歷史入邊話俾我哋聽啊，大崩盤通常咧都唔係因為一樣嘢出錯，而係幾樣風險同一時間撞埋一齊。咁澳洲有啲咩護城河呢？咁第一，人口仲係增長緊嘅，咁澳洲靠移民撐住個需求，銀行監管嚴到癲 ，APRA stress test 資本要求唔係日本當年咧可以俾噶，因為日本銀行當年咧就連壞賬都可以收埋嘅。咁如果喺澳洲嘅話，你上門咁第2日就會敲你道門 ，knock knock， 查到上門啦。咁最大風險就係樓市係太誇張啦。咁當55% 嘅財富咧綁住喺物業嗰度，樓價咧就唔可以跌得太多，因為一跌嘅話，消費縮、信心跌、投資停、就業受影響啊。咁唔使爆炸跌10幾個%就已經好痛啦。咁真正會引爆嘅係有唔同嘅情況咧。咁留意幾樣啦，失業率急升，咁咧可能會被逼賣樓，咁供應咧突然增加。咁利率咧再加升啊！咁最近入市嗰批咧就會最痛啦。咁按揭咧壓力就會爆煲。另外就係移民政策大改動啊！咁如果移民嘅數目咧削減一大截，咁需求咧就會冷卻啦。仲有啊，如果政策一刀切，可能咧呢啲咧就會打沉投資者。咁例如負扣稅、CGT 一齊改嘅話，咁投資咧就會集體撤退離場。咁樓市唔怕慢慢跌，最怕就係呢啲負面嘅情況炒埋一碟啊，同一時間發生。澳洲樓市咧就唔會係即刻爆嘅，咁但係現實就係當一個國家嘅資產總值係 GDP 嘅幾倍，而入場者咧要用到極高槓桿先有機會買到屋嘅話，咁成個市場嘅脆弱性咧就會越嚟越高啦。咁樓市呢個巨無霸唔係無敵㗎，咁但係依家靠緊係借貸嘅撐住，咁只要有啲咩風吹草動震動嘅，唔係一個市場，而係每個有貸款嘅家庭。澳洲樓市咧多數唔會好似爆到日本當年咁嘅樣，咁但係你都唔可以諗住一路咧就無風無浪，永遠係只會升唔跌嘅。做個總結啦，咁樓市唔係一個零和遊戲，咁但係呢個嘅金字塔式嘅 cycle 好明顯嘅規律咧就係早入場，槓桿低，資產自由。咁遲入場嘅話就用高啲嘅槓桿，更長嘅時間依靠租金支撐。咁下一波入場嘅就成為新一批嘅小綿羊啦。咁你睇下呢個嘅規律就好似歷史重寫未來，咁市場一邊收割一邊咧就生產下一批嘅小綿羊。咁所以小綿羊最終會唔會變咗暴龍級嘅投資者？答案係有機會嘅，咁但係要有智慧策略，仲要有長遠嘅眼光先可以做到。呢集咧就講到呢度啦。咁如果你中意呢條片嘅，記住俾個 like 同埋 subscribe 我個 channel， 仲可以 share 俾你個朋友睇嘅。 呢集咧仲有個彩蛋嘅，記住繼續睇埋落去啊！喺度咧就預祝大家聖誕快樂，咁同你哋身邊嘅摯愛親友就過得開開心心。咁我哋下一集再見啦 ，Merry Christmas， 拜拜。
依集咧就講開日本，咁咧我就想同大家分享下我早一排咧去日本旅行一啲嘅片段，希望大家中意啦。
Walking on my hands over Sasuke, over Naruto, and then underneath Mako on my hands. I'm the only performer in the entire world who does this trick. If you guys want to see this, please. After I go on and snatch Mako from here, I'm going to come up here and then do this final trick up here. If you guys are ready for the grand finale, say yo! Yeah! But guys, when they came to Osaka Castle this morning, they probably didn't expect to be lying on the ground like this. Can you guys please clap and cheer for them? Thank you very much, thank you. After I walk over you, you can stand up and then go back to seat, okay? Thank you very much, you're amazing. And this side is very good. This side is very good. This side very good. This side, can you guys come a little bit closer? Thank you so much. Up to where he's sitting down, yeah? Very good. Ikimasu. Go. Here we go. Our grand finale. But first, the walk of hell. Ikimasu. 3. Guys, please smile, okay? Once again, thank you, merci beaucoup, muchas gracias, shei kamisamnida shukran. Wherever you're from, please take away this memory. Ikimasu. Sasuke! Thank you very much for being with us today. You are amazing. I love you. Okay, you can stand up. Everybody please clap for Sasuke! Naruto, please don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Right, right. And now I need to fart. 3, 2, 1. Everybody clap for Naruto! Thank you very much. Get set up. When I go on this Mako, one more applause. 3, 2, 1. Make some noise! Come on! Don't wait for it. Normally, last trick. Here we go. Normally. Ikimasu. Last trick. 20 years. Ikimasu. 3, 2, 1. Water! Guys, hands up if this is your first time to come to Osaka Castle. Thank you so much for coming to our city, Osaka. Guys, we as performers have traveled all around the world. We've been to Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Spain, France, Austria, Germany, and we learned one thing. That on the street, in this show, there's no white people, there's no Asian people, there's no brown, there's no black, there's only people. And the North Koreans. Guys, honestly, Bruce Lee says, under the blue sky, we're all one family. Thank you so much for being such a beautiful family today. Arigato. My name is Hiro. This is Mako. We are Hiro Makuro from Japan. And what you're watching, this is our passion. It's our love, but it's also our job. We travel all around the world bringing people together, making people laugh and smile. If we made you laugh and smile today, please make some noise now. If we made you laugh, we did do our job. Please come forward at the end of the show and put some money inside our hat. And that's why nobody is laughing anymore. There's many people here today. I made sure there's enough space for everyone. Guys, if you guys don't have any money, please don't walk away. Come forward and say arigato. Say thank you, we say thank you back. If you guys do have some money, please give it to us. And just so you know, the Japanese yen is very weak. I know you have money. 1,000 yen is good. For two of us, 1,000 yen is good. 2,000 yen is amazing. It tells us that we did an amazing job. 3,000 yen, we go home very, very happy. If someone gives us 5,000, you can touch my boobs. And I'm serious. Mako, your turn.
You go give it to me. Are you having fun in Japan so far? Arigato for coming to Japan. I'd like to be one of your good memories visiting in Osaka. So I'll do my best. At the end, please enjoy our finale. Arigato for watching. Arigato gozaimasu.
Once again, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Please spread the love, not only here, but whenever you go home. Let's see. When my legs touch together like this, that's a cue to give me your last energy. Come on. I can do it. 1. Wow. Come on, everybody, give me some energy. Whoa. Make some noise. Come on! But wait, nobody move. Last trick. 3, 2, 1. Everybody, make some noise. Whoa! And guys, at this point, some people will walk away, some people come forward, but when I say thank you so much, all of you guys, for being with us today. Arigato. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You may now come forward with